In this video, you'll learn how to create a website on Ionos step by step, starting right from your hosting dashboard. Even if you're completely new to website building, don't worry, we'll go through it slowly and clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, make sure you're logged into your Ionos account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Ionos dashboard. This is your control center for everything related to your domains, hosting, email, and of course, your website. Take a second to look around so you're familiar with the layout, but don't feel overwhelmed. You only need a couple of sections for what we're doing today. From the dashboard, look for the section related to hosting. Depending on your account and any updates to the interface, this might be labeled as hosting, web hosting, or something very similar. Click on that hosting area. This is where Ionos keeps all the tools that let you manage the space on the server where your website files will live. Once you're in the hosting section, you'll usually see an overview of your current hosting package, along with any domains or websites you already have set up. If this is a brand new account, this area might look pretty empty, and that's completely fine. What you're looking for here is an option that says something like Create Site, Create Website, or Set Up Website. That button is the starting point for building a new site on your hosting plan. Go ahead and click on the Create Site option. When you do that, Ionos may give you a few different choices for how you want to build your website. For example, they might offer a website builder with drag and drop tools, a way to install a content management system like WordPress, or even a simple setup wizard that asks what type of site you want to create. The exact screens can change over time, but the process is similar. You choose how you want to build, then follow the prompts. If you see a guided setup, take your time with each step. It may ask you to pick a domain to connect to your new site. If you already have a domain in your account, choose the one you want to use. If you don't have one yet, there is usually an option nearby to register a new domain or use a temporary address while you set things up. As you move through the Create Site flow, you might be asked about the category of your website, like business, portfolio, or blog. This just helps Ionos suggest templates and settings that fit your needs. Pick the option that best matches what you have in mind, but remember, you can usually change the design later, so it doesn't have to be perfect right now. When you confirm your choices, Ionos will begin creating the website space on your hosting. This can take a short moment while the system sets everything up in the background. Once it's done, you should see your new site listed in your hosting or website overview, often with a button to edit or open the site editor. From here, you're ready to start customizing your pages, adding your text and images, and shaping the site into exactly what you want. For now, you've completed the essential hosting side of things. You went to the Ionos dashboard, opened the hosting section, and used the Create Site option to set up your new website.